What's up, YouTube? I mean, it's been a minute since I recorded anything, but I'm starting this off. Going to go get my oil change. I been should have did, but I'm going right now, so why not start this off by going to get an oil change? And this could be part of a video that's more than likely going to happen by like a couple days past time. Like, it's not gonna happen now, but I just want to start it off by getting an oil change. So let's get that situated real quick. That shit black. Yeah, it's supposed to be changed by like, I'd say about a month or probably 3 weeks. Yeah, 6.0. We're in the car wash right now, you know. Haven't got it washed since like, I don't even know when, but I'm getting it washed. About to look all clean and nice. Just got his oil change, so we all good, you know. It's, you know, pretty bad weather, but you know, $15. Go get your car washed. It could be cheaper than that, but you know, I want to make sure it's all good. At least get all that dirt that came from like going off them dirt roads and stuff like that. It's off. So like when it does get bad, it ain't bad. I used to be scared of this when I was little. Smell good. Oh yeah, that boy looking nice, I ain't gonna lie. Haven't been cleaned in a minute, so this red popping, I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, that boy looking nice. Let me get back in this car. Whew. Let's go. Yo. This bitch covered, bro. It's currently like, it's pretty bad out. It was worse yesterday, but I was not coming outside. I don't care. So, you know, we're warming up the car real quick. Nothing too crazy. Let y'all hear it. Warming up the car. Might do a little, you know, slide in the snow. That might be the video. Who knows? Might be the video for today. I need to coming for sure. But let's get this motherfucker up out of here. Damn, that shit bad. Well, it ain't that bad. Shit. Motherfucker loud. I ain't gonna lie. I don't big. Shit. Let's see. Dog. Oh shit. Dog. I know I'm probably scaring the fuck out of that. God damn. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Dog. This video probably gonna be short anyway, I ain't gonna lie. I don't wanna do too much. Shit. Boy, it's cold. God. We had to pick up some food, but you already know we getting back in that one thing. Probably about to do a little bit more. Get it to that 10-minute stretch, and then that's it for this video. Ooh, SRT, baby. Shit. Hey, grab this real quick. Grab this real quick. Record it just popping.
You said what?
Record it just popping. Like. Man. Oh shit! Oh shit! Literally two. Having fun in the snow.